Okay, guys, ready for school?
I'm ready for my field trip in school.
All right, let's go. Yo guys, what's up? Good morning. So today is another day and it's your boy brother DOG here and my little brother Diego, as well my baby brother Pedro and my sister in the back. And well, today I woke up in the morning. I woke up in a Bugatti. I woke up in the morning and you know, my mom told me tomorrow morning you're gonna go drop off the kids at the pool. What you talking about? You know what that means. I'm saying, but drop off the kids. What's that noise? I don't like that. We'll drop off the kids at school, and well, that's what I'm doing right now. And this little kid right here is gonna go to NAU. NAU, huh? And where's that at?
Flagstaff.
Where?
Flagstaff.
Why don't you speak louder? It's on Flagstaff, and well, he is so excited, and I'm honestly kind of what's the word? Kind of jealous because my 8th grade year. Oh yeah, he's in 8th grade. But my 8th grade year, I never went to a field trip or a university, so that's pretty dope. But yeah, he's gonna go to Flagstaff, and they're all gonna go to school. And yeah, this is the longest time I have recorded. But that's what I'm doing right now. And oh yeah, these are my new glasses. One of my cousin's boyfriends, which is my friend. Before he became my cousin's girlfriend or my boyfriend. He's my friend, and well, yeah, he bought me this for my birthday. So shout out to you, Edgar. You know who I'm talking about. And yeah, all right then, guys. Peace out. What up, everybody? So now it's time to give this car a bath. I mean a shower, not a bath. Well, car wash, whatever. But right now, yeah, so we're in the car wash. And yay! If you guys are hearing that noise, that is whatever it is, those things that wipe it off. And look, we're in the car wash. Man, great way to start the morning. It's getting loud now. Oh, it looks good. I know it's taking a long time, guys. Have patience. This is something new. Never done this in my vlogs. So, yeah. It's starting to look good now. My car looks good. It looks nice. Nice. All right. One last touch. There you go. Woo. 2 minutes already recording. It's amazing. It's amazing. Now it's drying. And it's drying. And it's drying. And it's still drying. And my car looks good. It looks good. Alright. go. So peace out. Okay, so I am not finished. As a matter of fact, I need a vacuum inside because it's getting dirty. And yeah, let's get it started. Go. All right, we are done with cleaning the car. Now, I might go to a store and get some clothes. So, I'll see you guys over there. That's if I go. All right, then, guys. Peace out.
Yo guys, what's up? So I'm with my brother Jonathan. Say what's up. What's up?
And then with this girl, Abby. JD. We're out here eating at Barro's Pizza. ¿Has comido aquí en Barro's? No? ¿Tú? No. Te va a gustar el pizza. Chicago style, guys, huh? Chicago. But yeah, we're gonna have a great time here with the whole youth. And yeah, ¿quieres decir unas cosas? Unas palabras.
No.
Va a decir hi al YouTube. Adiós. A ver.
Síganme en Instagram.
I'll put in the description below for her Instagram. We'll put it in the description below. ¿Tú también? No.
Ravi con doble B.
Okay. All right. Okay then. All right. So follow them on Instagram and Snapchat. We'll put it in the description below. Peace out, guys. Say peace out. No, digas peace out.
¿Qué?
Digas peace out. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out. There you go. Ahora tú. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Yo miraba todos y este like medio like. Me caminaba, mira. Las cosas like. Mira, pensando, debía decir, se me cayó el corazón. Ay,
Sometimes this group gets crazy. As you can see, they are just being Mexicans, I guess. But yeah, we're out of Barro's. And yeah, they're getting crazy, guys. Alright guys, peace out. Yo guys, what's up? So, I know I jumped from different vlogs, and the reason is because the first when I washed my car and everything, I didn't go to the store because, you know, it was too early. The time was at 7 o'clock in the morning, and usually stores are not open until 9 or 9:30. And so I went home and I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna wait until 9:30. Sad thing is, I went to sleep and I didn't go. And I was like, wow, like, you're dumb, Daniel, you should have went. But yeah, that happened. And also what I wanted to talk about is that the songs that I've been playing on my vlogs, you know, the intros and whatever, that is from one of my favorite artists, Christian rapper, hip-hop artist. His name, he goes by the name of Andy Mineo. As a matter of fact, his name is Andy Mineo. But yeah, his album dropped yesterday. Today is Friday, September 18th. It was supposed to drop today at midnight or 1-ish, around there. But it dropped yesterday at 10 p.m. And dude, I love that album. It's amazing. So I'm gonna put it in the description below, his YouTube account and the Reach Records account, so you guys can check it out, because this guy is, man, he goes hardcore. He's a Christian rapper, and you know, he's been to Sway in the Morning, MTV, and yeah, you know, so go check him out. I'm gonna put it in the description below, so check him out, guys. He has amazing songs and amazing beats. But alright then, guys, that's all I want to talk about, and I'm gonna go to sleep, so peace out, guys.
New York City, New York City, New York City, New York City, Uptown, New York City, where you can spot me. Uptown, New York City, where you can spot me. York City.